Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice examples on permutations on bus travel. In our previous classes, we clearly provided some examples on numbers and alphabets. Please watch those classes and come back here. These are very simple examples if you really understand the concept of permutations, which we discussed in our first class. Our explanation is completely based on the assumption that you already have that intuition. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, there are 4 bus lines between A and B. So from one position A to other position B, there are 4 bus lines between that. And 3 bus lines between B and C. So from this concept, they are trying to ask questions like this. How many ways a man can travel from A to C via B? So from A to B, you are having 4 possibilities. From B to C, you are having 3 possibilities. How many ways you can travel from A to C? Different arrangements, bus arrangements you can make from A to C. That is what permutations means. Making arrangements is what we call it as permutations. So from A to B, you can choose any one of them. So 4 possible ways are there from moving from A to B. From B to C, you are having 3 possible ways. So 4 multiplied by 3. Why multiplication? This is the basic intuition we provided in our first class. Again, we will refresh the concept. If you choose the first line, with first line you are having 3 possibilities from B to C. So total 3 ways. If you choose second line here, again you are having 3 possibilities. This is another 3 ways. If you choose the third line, again 3 possibilities. This is another 3 ways. If you choose the fourth one, again 3 ways. Total how many ways? 12 ways. That is what we got from here. 4 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 12. In total, 12 different arrangements you can do from A to C, to travel from A to C. So it's very simple if you had that basic intuition. Now coming to the next one, second one is you have to travel round trip travel from A to C via B. Means you have to move from A to B, B to C, again C to B, B to A. Just multiply the possibilities, that's the answer. From A to B, you can take 4 different possibilities. So 4 multiplied by, from B to C, you can take 3 different possibilities. From C, again you have to move back. 3 to, again from C to B, you are having 3 different possibilities. So 3 multiplied by 3. So from B to A, again you are having 4 different possibilities. 3 multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. These are all these many possibilities you are having in order to take a round trip from A to C, C to A. Okay, coming to the next one, round trip from A to C via B, but do not use a bus line more than once. You are not supposed to take the bus line more than once. That means for suppose if you take A to B, if you want to move from A to B, if you take the first line, you are not supposed to use that line again. So in order to move from A to B, how many possibilities are there? 4 possibilities are there. From B to C, you are having 3 possibilities are there. If you want to move from C to B, in order to come from B to C, you already used one. So how many possibilities are there? 2 possibilities are there. So that's why multiplied by 2. From B to A, you already used one line. So don't use it again. From B to A, you are having 3 possibilities because already used one. So total how many possibilities? 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Total 72 possible ways you can choose from A to C and C to A back without choosing the same line again. So these are the ways they are trying to ask the questions. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.